Edge protection is a barrier placed around the perimeter of an elevated area or cavity which can withstand the weight and force of a falling person. It also prevents equipment and materials from falling on workers below. Suitable edge protection must be provided in situations where there's the chance of workers falling 2 or more meters while working at heights, and should be provided on safety equipment like scaffolding and EWPs, as well as on buildings and other elevated work areas. Guardrails are used to protect workers from a range of falling hazards. They're usually made of timber or metal fixing posts with cross rails attached at 900 to 1000 millimeter for handrails and 500 millimeters for midrails above the working surface. A toe board or kickboard at least 150 millimeters high is placed along the bottom of the railing to prevent equipment and materials from falling from the work area. Guardrails may be used to provide effective fall prevention at the edges of roofs and roof framing, the edges of scaffolds, the edges of work platforms, suspended slabs, formwork and falsework, walkways, stairways, ramps and landings, the perimeters of buildings and other structures, the perimeters of skylights and other fragile roof material, openings in floor and roof structures, and the edges of shafts, pits and other excavations. Like scaffolding, guardrails should be installed and dismantled by a competent person according to the manufacturer's instructions and Australian standards. Safety mesh is often installed as additional protection against internal, inside a structure, fall hazards, such as falling through cavities or brittle roof material. The installation of safety mesh is covered by Australian standards and must be completed by a competent person so that it's secure and strong enough to prevent falls. Edge protection and other fall arrest devices are still required when safety mesh is used as part of fall prevention strategy. Safety mesh often remains in place once construction has been completed to provide fall prevention for ongoing maintenance work.